Here I have Motorola Moto G42, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So firstly, you have to access recent section. If you have 3 buttons navigation method, you will have recents button on the left or on the right side. But if you have gestures, as me, what you have to do is to swipe your finger from downside up like this and hold your finger for a second, and that's how you can access recent section. So you have lots of opened apps at once. You can close them all just by tapping clear all button, and after that all of these apps will be closed. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.